Look at me. You're here because someone broke you. They left you in pain, shattered, betrayed, discarded like you meant nothing. Maybe it was a lover who walked away, a friend who stabbed you in the back, or a family member who never showed up when you needed them most. You're carrying that weight, aren't you? That ache in your chest that won't let you sleep. I see you, but let me tell you something. That pain, it is not your prison, it's your power. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the pieces they broke and build a version of yourself they'll never touch again. Stay with me. This is your wake-up call. You know the feeling, the late-night thoughts that claw at you, the questions. Why wasn't I enough? How could they do this? I've been there. Years ago, someone I thought was my rock turned their back on me when I was at my lowest. It felt like my world collapsed. But here's what I learned. The people who hurt you don't get to define you. Their betrayal is their failure, not yours. Let's start by facing the truth. Their betrayal cut you deep, and it's not just because they left. It's because they made you question yourself. They made you feel small, unworthy, like you're somehow to blame. That's what pain does. It lies to you. But let's break down why it hurts so much, because understanding it is the first step to owning it. Trust is the foundation of any relationship, romantic, platonic, familial. When they walked away, lied, or betrayed you, they shattered that trust. It's not just about them leaving. It's about the safety they stole. You let them in. You showed them your soul, and they used it against you. That betrayal feels like a violation because it is. It's personal, and it makes you wonder if you can ever trust again. Spoiler, you can. But it starts with trusting yourself first. Think about it. When they left, what did it make you feel? Unlovable? Not good enough? That's not random. Their actions tapped into your deepest insecurities, the ones you've carried since you were a kid. Maybe you've always feared being abandoned or rejected. Their betrayal didn't create those fears. It just ripped the Band-Aid off. And now, every time you think of them, those wounds scream. But here's the truth. Their choice to leave says everything about them, not you. They triggered your deepest fears. Think about it. When they left, what did it make you feel? Unlovable? Not good enough? That's not random. Their actions tapped into your deepest insecurities, the ones you've carried since you were a kid. Maybe you've always feared being abandoned or rejected. Their betrayal didn't create those fears. It just ripped the Band-Aid off. And now, every time you think of them, those wounds scream. But here's the truth. Their choice to leave says everything about them, not you. You invested in them. You gave them your time, your energy, your heart. You built dreams around them, planned a future, maybe even sacrificed parts of yourself to keep them happy. And they threw it away. That's not just pain, it's rage. You feel robbed because you were. You poured yourself into someone who didn't value it. But listen, that investment wasn't wasted. It taught you what you're capable of giving and what you deserve in return. So yeah, it hurts. It's supposed to. Pain is your body's way of saying, this matters. But here's where most people go wrong. They let that pain define them. They curl up, hide, and let the people who hurt them win. Not you. Not today. Drop a flexed bicep emoji in the comments if you're done letting their betrayal control you, because we're about to turn this around. Now that we know why it hurts, let's talk about what that pain is doing to you right now. Because it's not just about the past, it's messing with your present and your future. Here are 3 ways their betrayal is still holding you back, and why you need to break free now. It's keeping you stuck in the past. Every time you replay their words, their actions, or that moment they walked away, you're living in a memory. You're not here, in this moment, building your life. You're there, with them, giving them power they don't deserve. It's like you're chained to a ghost, and while you're stuck, they're out there living their life, unbothered. Why are you letting them rent space in your head for free? It's poisoning your relationships. Their betrayal didn't just hurt you, it changed how you see people. Maybe you push others away, afraid they'll hurt you too. Maybe you don't let anyone get close because what's the point? That's not living, that's surviving. You're punishing new people for someone else's sins. And deep down, you know you deserve connection, love, and trust. But you've got to let go of the pain to find it. You used to have dreams, didn't you? Big ones. Maybe you wanted to start a business, travel, or just feel confident in your own skin. But now, that pain has you doubting yourself. It's made you smaller, quieter, like you're afraid to shine because someone might hurt you again. That's the real tragedy, not what they did, but what you're letting it do to the person you're meant to be. Let me ask you something. How long are you going to let their betrayal define your story? Another month? Another year? Or are you ready to say, enough? Drop a fist in the comments if you're ready to take back your life. Because we're not just going to survive this, we're going to thrive. All right, this is where we rise. You're not here to stay broken. You're here to rebuild, stronger, sharper, untouchable. I'm giving you 5 steps to turn the pain they left you into a fire that fuels your comeback. These aren't fluffy tips. These are battle-tested strategies to reclaim your life. Let's go. Stop running from the hurt. Sit with it. Cry, scream, write it down, whatever it takes. Pain is a teacher, but you don't have to live in the classroom forever. Once you've faced it, let it go. Burn their letter, delete their number, unfollow them. Not to be petty, but to free yourself. You don't need closure from them. You give it to yourself. They don't get to write the ending of your life. You do. Start seeing their betrayal as a plot twist, not the final chapter. Ask yourself, who do I want to be now? The hero who rises, or the victim who stays down? Write down one goal, big or small, that you're going to chase, not for them, but for you. That's your new story. Their betrayal taught you something. Not everyone deserves access to you. Set boundaries like a fortress. Say no to people who drain you. Demand respect. And most importantly, protect your energy. You're not here to fix broken people. You're here to build a life that shines. Boundaries aren't walls, they're armor. Pain is energy, and energy can destroy or create. Choose creation. Use that anger, that hurt, to fuel your grind. Hit the gym and lift like you're crushing their memory. Work on your passion project like you're proving them wrong. Every step you take is a middle finger to the past. Let their betrayal be the spark that lights your fire. You can't heal alone. Find people who lift you up, friends who challenge you, mentors who inspire you, a community that sees your worth. Ditch the toxic ones who remind you of the pain. Your circle shapes your future. Who's in yours? Choose people who make you want to be better, not bitter. These steps aren't easy. They're not supposed to be. But every time you choose to feel, to rewrite, to protect, to act, to surround yourself with strength, You're taking back what they tried to steal. You're becoming someone they'll never touch again. Drop a lightning bolt in the comments and tell me, which of these steps are you starting today? I'm reading every single one. Listen to me. They left you in pain, but they didn't break you. You're still here, still fighting, still breathing. That pain, it's not your weakness, it's your strength. It's the raw material for a version of you that's fiercer, wiser, unstoppable. The people who hurt you thought they won, but they didn't. Because you're going to rise, and when you do, they'll see what they lost. Here's what I want you to do. 1. Pick one step from this video and start it today. Don't wait. 2. Comment below with the step you're taking, or just drop a to show you're in this fight. I'm with you. 3. Share this video with someone who's hurting. Be the light they need. If this hit you, smash that like button. Subscribe.